Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to use the new Stranger Things fonts on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing, make sure you update your Instagram before you want to use the new Stranger fonts. So you need to simply update. After that, you need to simply open up the Instagram story. So in order to use the new Stranger fonts, so you need to simply first tap on the camera. And now here you need to simply record the Instagram story. So I just want to take a single photo here, and after that you need to simply tap on double A. But before I want to tap on double A, first I want to change the background color. And now after that, if I tap on the double A, so here you notice that there is a new Stranger Things font. So this is the new font which recently updated on Instagram. So I want to just type here something like, so here you notice that I have successfully write a sentence in new Stranger Things font. So with the help of this process, you can easily use the new Stranger Things font on Instagram. So if you want to get this new fonts, you need to simply update your Instagram. So once you successfully update your Instagram, so you'll automatically get this Stranger Things font. But in case if you haven't access of the Stranger Things, you need to simply comment on this video. I will try to guide you how to get the Stranger Things font on your Instagram account. So this is pretty simple, and easiest way to use the new Instagram Stranger Things font on Instagram by using this method.